Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Thai O visa, and I'm making this video along with a series of others. And for those who watch this channel rather frequently, this stuff may be old hat for you, but I have gotten a lot of commentary in recent weeks, and frankly, I haven't had time to do these videos because there have been a lot of major developments. Things are kind of slowing down on this front. So I have a chance to go ahead and make these kind of more fundamental videos, providing clarification on sort of the basics of Thai immigration. And this video specifically, we're discussing the Thai O visa. For those who are unaware, many people in Thailand will remain in Thailand in O status, oftentimes and most frequently for marriage to a Thai national, and oftentimes also for retirement here in Thailand. The thing that should be understood about the O visa more than anything is that in many ways it is definitely a catch-all category. O, for lack of a better term, stands for other. And it shows in the Thai Immigration Act because it's basically the catch-all category when you get to the section in the Immigration Act regarding the visa categories. You have specific mention of business, tourism, education, these types of things. You don't have any mention of the specific things like retirement, marriage, family-based, things like that, that oftentimes fall under the O category. So the thing to understand about this is this can be good and bad because it's driven entirely from a regulatory standpoint. It's not as rigidly codified in law, so immigration officers have a little bit more discretion when dealing with these things. That can be good or bad depending on if you have a really stringent officer adjudicating a case as opposed to someone who's a little more lax. That being stated, oftentimes, obviously, across the board, the regulations with respect to the O category are uniform, albeit there is some difference, there's some nuance with respect to application. But the O visa generally you will see used when no other category is really appropriate. The most oftentimes we see it used is in relationship to a Thai retirement visa or a Thai marriage visa.